Mommy, why did you disconnect this?
Who?
You?
No. Ay, na-disconnect natin. Hi guys. It's the end of January and we haven't had our time to vlog for a long time because he is the prego mood is very good for her. But yeah, so we're gonna upload right after this clip what happened from January first week. And that's it. What y'all think?
Yeah.
What y'all think, Laugh? Good.
Good.
Yeah, so
I feel good. So we're gonna play badminton today. And let's see.
get some exercise done.
First time that I'm gonna play badminton.
A very long time.
No, first time since I got prego.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll have fun. That's it.
Ganun ka. Close mo yung kamay mo sa akin.
Facial watch.
Time to eat. But this is what our parking lot looks like. All of our cars. Would you like to update the peoples?
Oh, my chan. My tummy hurts.
Later. I gotta feed her first. Next scene. Mexican Filipino.
Can we get the orange? What's the orange? Orange.
Hindi ka mag-burp.
Ano ba yung juice ba yun?
Juice yan.
Juice.
Narang.
Coke na lang.
Sprite.
Sprite.
I think they have a 7-Up pala.
But we have to share because I'm gonna get milkshake.
No problem. It's a good place. Like Michoacan.
It is.
It is the Michoacan. It's green.
So good.
Hi, I'm Dr. Desiree Lombos. What we did in the video is we simply just found or located subluxations. What that is any misalignments in the spine that puts pressure on the nerve and causing interference in the nervous system. And in return, it interferes with how the body is functioning, how it should. So,
in her instance,
well, in her case, we found, because she's expecting a baby, it's very normal to find tenderness and misalignments in the pubic area. So we adjusted that as well. We adjusted the SI joints, so basically maintaining the alignment of the pelvis or the hip bone and the tailbone will lessen any pain that is caused by pregnancy and allowing the normal function and allowing the baby to assume its natural position. I don't know what I was saying.
How you?
Hi. I feel better. Actually, I think my headache is slightly gone. I was having such a bad headache when we got here because it's really cold outside. So I'm assuming that was tension headache or whatever that's called, migraine, whatever. So I had to, um, aside from nausea, I had to end headaches. So I had to get my dinner out. And then after the adjustment, I felt a lot better. Yeah, I think my headache is almost gone now. And yeah, I feel better. Good. Very good.